Hey everyone, so I was sent this product for free for my personal review. This will be an unboxing as well as a first impressions because I have not taken it out of the box yet and I have not used it yet. I will do all of that on camera. I guess the brand is MHU, salon exclusive. And the main features that it has on here, it says direct ion technology, titanium plates, floating plates, flash heating and homogeneous heat transfer, professional high heat, max 450, variable heat with working indicator, handle lock for easy storing, auto shut off, 9-foot professional swivel cord. So those are the main features. This is the packaging that it comes in, and this is what it looks like. It gives you a little explanation of what ion technology is, which it basically helps to reduce frizz and make sure her looks, you know, soft and silky. And it also has titanium plates, and it explains what that means. Basically that the plates will heat up fast and they'll stay a constant temperature. So that's the packaging. Here's this side right here. Shows you some close-ups of the product. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. So it does come with two hair clips. Looks like there's a little instruction booklet in here. Tells you about the product. And the product itself, the flat iron. Now, I have a Chi Elite, and this reminds me of the way it looks because it's like almost the same size, and the little design right up in here, and just the feel of it is really lightweight and everything. So to unlock it, there is a lock and lock. You switch to switch, and it unlocks, comes out. Gonna get a little closer. Here's the dial. It goes up to 450. The minimum is 250. I would prefer to have a digital display, but I mean, you know, the dial is okay too. Just set it to whatever you like. It's just personal preference. Does have the floating plates, which means it'll move with your hair. It won't just trap your hair in the plates. It'll move up and down with it. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it up. Okay, so I just plugged the product up, and this is my hair just blow dried. If you want to know what products I use before I blow dried it and before I got to the flat iron step, I will leave an information card above where you can go and view that video, what products I put on my hair while I was blow drying it before I blow dried. But anyways, okay, so I got it plugged up and I haven't turned it on yet. I just turned it on. I'm gonna put it on 360, and it's blinking in there. So I'm assuming that once it stops blinking, then that means that it is ready to use. So while that is getting ready, it shouldn't take most flat irons nowadays shouldn't take between 30 to 60 seconds to be like fully ready to go. Like from the time you plug it in till you turn it on. Okay, so we're still blinking right now. But anyways, while that's warming up, I do have a fresh relaxer, and I will be doing a relaxer update video, so make sure. Okay, it's still flashing, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and then once it's ready I'll start it back. Okay, so after I paused the video, it took about an extra 15 more seconds, and then as you can see the light turned green, so that means it's ready to go. This is a first impressions because I have not used it yet, and this is the first time that I even took it out of the box or did anything with it. So I'm going to do a few little pieces on camera, then I'm going to finish the rest off camera, and then I'm going to show you the final results because nobody wants to look at like 20, 30 minutes worth of flat ironing. So I'm just going to show you a few pieces and then basically show you the final results. So what I do with my hair, I always section my hair off into 4 sections, and then I tackle each section like that. So I'm going to start with this back right section of my hair. Hang on 1 second. Let me redo that in the back right quick. Let's see. I'm going to part that a little more accurately. And then pin this side back up. Okay, so I'm going to start with this section right here. And then I just take it row by row per section. So the plates, I don't know if I said it or yet. The plates, they're really skinny. We'll see. Ooh, I curled my hair. So this can be used for curling. I did not mean to put that tight of a twist. The longer that my hair is getting, I notice that it's harder to flat iron it, and I find myself turning the flat iron too soon. So yeah, I wanted it more straight like that. So this is good for also curling your hair, which is why it has the rounded plates on the end. Let me just get up close where you can see the rounded plates, just in case you want to use this for curling your hair as well. Okay, moving on. Ooh. Next section. Next row. Then I'm going to go ahead and comb that out. And I'm also going to wrap my hair. That's how I prolong my wraps. I don't know if you just noticed what I just did. I clamped it down like 2 to 3 times at my roots just to make sure my roots were really, because like your wrap and your flat iron, one of the keys to it being movable is making sure your roots are kind of straight. So I clamped the flat iron down just a few times in my root area just to make that make sure that area is straight and flat. I'm getting tongue-tied. So I just kind of clap it down a few times, and then we're gonna bring it on out. I feel like I need to get a little bit closer to the camera because I don't know if you guys can see this or not. I'm gonna do one more row on camera, 1 or 2 more rows, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera where I can get done and show you how it looks once I'm done flat ironing. My color look good, don't it? I know. Looks really good. I just had to say that. I felt like being petty because some of y'all, I ain't gonna even go into it. I was about to do a little rant. I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Okay, so let's get up a little closer. Get all up in here and pull it on out. I usually don't clamp it 2 times like that, but like I said, since my hair is getting longer, it's kind of awkward to flat iron my hair. and it just feels really weird. And I try to turn the iron before I'm supposed to, and then it creates this weird little curl, and yeah, just anywho's, this is what we're looking like so far. I really need a trim, but I have to find a new hairstylist to do my trims because I don't have my old hairstylist anymore. So if you see my ends looking a little off, then yeah, that's why. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and these are the finished results right here. Making sure, let me try to get this a little brighter. Okay. I think it did a really good job. Like, I was really impressed. Like, I like how it left like a little sheen to it. I really like that part about it. It didn't really take long to flat iron it at all. And it's soft and smooth, like it said on the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and comb my hair out and show you what it looks like in the back, and that'll be the end of my review. All in all, I think it was a really good flat iron. It basically behaves just like the Chi flat iron that I have. I have a Chi Elite, and it like pretty much behaves exactly like the Chi Elite. It straightens it pretty decently. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. That's my product review of that. My hair is definitely trying to get longer, and make sure get that back in focus. And I'm just really excited. I'm really excited about my new colored hair journey. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.